Today we explore Google Tasks versus Notion. Choosing the right productivity app can transform how you organize your work without feeling overwhelmed. Google Tasks offers simplicity, while Notion delivers powerful customization. Google Tasks and Notion are popular productivity tools that serve different needs. Google Tasks focuses on straightforward task management integrated with Google services, while Notion provides an all-in-one workspace combining notes, databases, and project management with extensive flexibility. Google Tasks is a lightweight task management app designed to seamlessly integrate with Google Workspace, including Gmail and Google Calendar. It allows users to create simple to-do lists, set due dates, and organize tasks into subtasks. Its interface is minimalistic, making task entry and tracking fast and intuitive. Google Tasks works across web and mobile platforms, syncing effortlessly in real time. Its strengths lie in its ease of use and tight integration with Google's ecosystem, ideal for users who want quick task capture without distraction. However, Google Tasks lacks advanced project management features, rich note-taking, or database functionalities. It does not support collaborative workspaces beyond basic task sharing, limiting its use for complex workflows. The ideal user is someone who needs a straightforward, no-frills task list that complements Google Apps, perfect for individuals managing daily errands or simple work tasks without requiring extensive customization. Notion is a versatile productivity platform that combines note-taking, databases, task management, and collaboration into a single workspace. It operates on a block-based system, allowing users to build customized pages with text, tables, Kanban boards, calendars, and more. Notion supports rich content embedding and integrates with various tools, making it a powerful solution for personal productivity and team projects alike. Its strengths include deep customization, the ability to create complex workflows, and collaborative editing with real-time updates. Users can tailor Notion to fit diverse needs, from simple to-do lists to comprehensive knowledge bases. However, this flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve and can feel overwhelming for users seeking simplicity. Offline access and mobile app performance have improved but may still lag behind simpler apps. Notion is best suited for users who want an all-encompassing workspace, combining notes, tasks, and databases, especially teams or individuals managing multiple projects requiring detailed organization and customization. When comparing Google Tasks and Notion, the choice depends on your workflow complexity. Google Tasks excels in straightforward task management, especially if you rely heavily on Google services. It's perfect for quick task entry and deadline tracking without distractions. Notion, on the other hand, shines for users needing a customizable, multifunctional workspace. It supports detailed project tracking, knowledge management, and team collaboration, making it ideal for complex workflows. The trade-off is that Notion requires more setup time and learning, whereas Google Tasks is ready to use immediately. For example, if you need a simple daily task list synced with your email and calendar, Google Tasks is efficient. But if your work involves managing projects, documents, and databases in one place, Notion's flexibility is unmatched. Both apps offer mobile and desktop access, but Notion's advanced features come with a learning curve that may not suit everyone. Choose Google Tasks if you want a simple, fast, and integrated task manager that works seamlessly within the Google ecosystem for everyday task tracking. Opt for Notion if you need a powerful, customizable workspace that combines notes, tasks, and databases for complex project management and collaboration. Its flexibility supports growing productivity needs, making it a top choice for individuals and teams seeking an all-in-one solution.